Hello friends! Welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to crochet a mini Christmas tree. This little tree is perfect to attach to a card or a keychain or like a small gift for Christmas season. For this project, you will need 3-ply acrylic yarn, 2.5mm crochet hook, 7mm eyes, a needle and glue. The dimension for this crochet Christmas tree is about 7 centimeters. If you can't handle abbreviations, please turn on the subtitles and choose your language for written instructions. Start with a slip knot. Chain 4. Join with a slip stitch in first chain to form a circle. Chain 3. Count like first stitch. On circle, work 14 double crochet stitches. In each of first 2 stitches, do 2 single crochet stitches. This is called an increased. In next space, do 1/2 double crochet stitch. One double crochet stitch. Chain 2. One double crochet stitch. One-half double crochet stitch. In next space, do 1/2 double crochet increase. Next, do 1 single crochet increase. Chain 6. Start with second chain from the hook and do 5 slip stitches. Next, do 1 single crochet increase. In next space, do 1/2 double crochet increase. In next space, do 2 double crochet, 2 chain, 2 double crochet stitches. In next space, do 1/2 double crochet increase. Next, do 1 single crochet increase. Chain 6. Start with second chain from the hook and do 5 slip stitches. Next, do 1 single crochet increase. In next space, do 1/2 double crochet increase. In next space, do 1/2 double crochet stitch. One double crochet stitch. Chain 2. 1 double crochet stitch. One half double crochet stitch. In last 2 spaces, do 1 single crochet increase. Chain 3. Next, do 1 double crochet increase. Chain 3. Slip stitch in next one and fasten off. Hide the tails of yarn. Next, we'll learn how to crochet a star. Join yarn on top of the tree. Chain 5. Do 1 single crochet stitch in same space. Chain 5. Do 1 single crochet stitch in same space. Chain 7. Do 1 single crochet stitch in same space. Chain 5. Do 1 single crochet stitch in same space. Chain 5. Do 1 single crochet stitch in same space. Fasten off and hide the tail of yarn. It's time to crochet the little gift. Try to ignore the cat. Start with a slip knot. Chain 6. Start with the third chain from the hook and do 4 half double crochet stitches. Turn and chain 2. Next, do 4 half double crochet stitches. Fasten off and hide the tails of yarn. Glue or sew the pieces together and you are done. If this tutorial was helpful to you, please consider supporting my channel by liking this video or sharing it with your friends on social media or leaving me a comment with what you want to see in my next tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you soon.